Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to view email password in Outlook. And this is quite simple. If you are using Outlook in a browser, there's just one way how to find this. And we can do this by clicking on the three dots right in the top and then go to password and autofill and then go to Google Password Manager. Then right now I'm searching here in this bar for Outlook. And then right now it's standing just right here. So then we click here on Outlook. And then if I now click here on the eye, we can show our password from our Outlook account. When you are using the application Outlook, then you can check it in the application itself. And there are many videos how to do this, but it's so easy to do this in the Outlook application. But when you're using the Outlook browser, this is the best way how to view your email password in Outlook. So this is exactly how this works. Hopefully this was the video where you was searching for. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.